Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Paradise Valley local and long-distance movers near me. 3Movers offers superior quality, affordable moving services in Paradise Valley, Arizona. Our experienced crews assist residential, commercial, and specialty customers with local and long-distance moves. Finding the right mover for your long-distance relocation to or from Paradise Valley, Arizona will be simpler if you spend some time on the FMCSA website. FMCSA is the acronym for the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, which oversees interstate moving companies. All such movers are required to register with FMCSA, which also keeps tabs on their safety records and any customer complaints filed. While you are at the FMCSA site, you can review some great resources the agency has developed to assist consumers with planning and executing moves. They have created rules for movers to follow, trying to help customers avoid moving fraud and assist when conflicts occur. You will find an explanation of essential industry terms like valuation, tariff, and other moving-specific jargon. There is a brochure titled Your Rights and Responsibilities When You Move that the moving company must furnish to you when they submit an estimate for your job, but it's worth reading ahead of time. It explains how the estimates work, what the different types are, and offers a breakdown of what the mover's responsibilities are during the whole process. Reading through it will help you as you begin to select and contract with a moving company. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Paradise Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.